Stop guessing on why Roblox Support keeps rejecting your purchase receipts. This is exactly how you beat the verification failure, without failing once. Most other tutorials tell you to just send more screenshots, which is plain wrong, because their 2026 AI system is specifically programmed to reject any image that doesn't contain the 3 hidden metadata triggers. Before we resubmit your appeal, you need to understand the logic of a Tier 2 audit, or you'll just get stuck with another automated, unable to verify ownership email in minutes. We are going to do this hand in hand, step by step, so you cannot fail to prove your identity. Here at Rexish, we are the authority on high-level account recovery, and we have identified the exact format required to bypass the bot. First, never send a screenshot from your phone's photo gallery. You must go to the App Store or Google Play website on a browser, find your order history, and download the actual PDF invoice. The secret trick that other creators missed is that Roblox's automated system scans the GPay number on Google Play or the order ID on Apple specifically within the document's text layer, not just the image. If you're using a gift card, you must provide a photo of the physical card alongside a handwritten note of your ticket number to prove you have physical possession. Furthermore, ensure your receipt shows the billing address, the specific Roblox product, and the exact amount paid. If even one of these is cropped out, the bot will auto-reject it as tampered. By attaching the raw PDF instead of a JPEG, you force the system to validate the digital signature of the merchant, which overrides the basic no